Hi everyone, welcome to another tutorial. Don't forget, if you're liking these tutorials, please subscribe, like, share, give me a thumbs up, send me a message. Let me know that you're enjoying them so that I keep making more. Today we are going to start making some drag and drop movable slides for the kids to manipulate. We're going to start with a fill in the missing number slide. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go into Theme Builder. Okay, so again, you go to View, Theme Builder, click on a slide. You're going to want to build in here so the kids can't move your garden around because we're going to use flowers. So we're going to go to our background, choose image. I'm going to type in field because I want a nice field behind my flowers. Done. And there you have it. Now we're going to insert some pictures. All you have to do is go to, again, insert image over here. You get your drop down. You're going to go to search the web. This will drop down. Type in clip art, flower, transparent, or whatever it is you're going to make. You can make cars. You can make an apple tree with apples on it. I've done that one before. The kids loved it. But today we're going to do a nice garden. So these three guys in and make that guy a little bigger. Now, because I am trying to save time, I'm going to highlight all of them. Don't know why dictionary is coming up, but okay. And then I am going to copy them all. And actually, I'm not going to copy them. I'm going to resize them so they're a bit smaller because those guys are too big. Okay, now I'm going to copy them. And now I've got 6. And we're going to separate these by clicking off them. Okay. And I need one more. Let's make it kind of patterned. I like patterns. So we'll take another one of these. All right. Now we've got our 10 flowers, and we're going to put in our title. Text box, insert, move it to the middle there. That's up 5. We're going to have to center it. So go to 3 dots, center, and we're going to call it fill in the missing numbers. I'm going to make this a little bit bold. I'm going to change the font here, make it a little bungee, and make it a little bit bigger. There we go. Now, the next step, you have to leave this view mode. You don't want to do this in Theme Builder. So now you see the kids can't move anything. All right, you're going to want to fill in the numbers. Now you can do this in Theme Builder and make a bunch of different themes so that they can't move the numbers either, but that's way more complicated. So you just go and make a circle. You make your circle a yellowish color, or if it's going to be an apple, the reddish color, or if it's going to be a pear, the greenish color. And you're going to get it in there. You're going to want it to be, again, centered. All right. And let's make them bold. Now you're going to copy this a bunch of times. 9 more exactly. Command C, Command V, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then you just drag and drop them over top of all the little circles in the middle of your flowers. You can take time to make them a little bit more on spot. I'm just doing this quickly so you can see in a shorter amount of time and I don't run out of space on my video. Again, if you have any questions about how I'm doing things, please leave a message. I'm happy to tell you. Okay, now you're going to click on that, type your numbers in. Okay, you could do the 20s. You could do any variation on this you really want to with these numbers. I'm going to have to make this one a little bit bigger because the 10 is wider than the numbers were. There we go. All right, and now all you have to do is slide a couple of them out of the way. And the kids can easily grab them and move them back to the right spot once you give it to them. You can make copies of this. All right, you click on the outside and Command Copy, Command Velcro, and then you just switch around the numbers and you've got a bunch of different ones. So I hope that was helpful. I hope you have fun trying to make some of these. Please share back if you want to send me some versions of your own. That would be fantastic. I'd love to see what you're making. Have a great day.